Imagine walking through a crowded city street. Sunlight glinting off tall glass buildings, and people rushing by with their phones glued to their hands. But not you. You're moving freely, eyes up, completely connected to the world without ever touching a screen. Directions appear right in front of your eyes. Notifications glide through your vision like whispers of light. A friend's voice echoes softly in your ear, as if they're right beside you. It sounds like science fiction, but this is the reality being shaped by the Meta Ray-Ban. Display glass sees a bold leap into the next generation of wearable technology that might just make the smartphone obsolete. The moment you put them on, the world doesn't just stay the same, it transforms. Ordinary streets become interactive maps. Conversations turn into digital experiences. Your surroundings evolve into a canvas of information and imagination. This isn't a simple gadget. It's a portal to a new way of seeing life itself. In this video, we are rediving deep into the 5 revolutionary features that make the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses one of the most exciting and maybe most misunderstood pieces of technology of our time. Start with something simple but essential: navigation. Everyone uses maps on their phones, whether it's to find a cafe, a friend's house, or a new adventure spot. Every time you do, your eyes drop to a screen and the world around you disappears. These glasses, that problem simply doesn't exist. Say, take me to the farmer's market, and instantly, your path comes to life right in front of your eyes. Glowing arrows stretch across the sidewalk, gently guiding you through crowds and corners. While your AI assistant quietly announces each turn, you never have to look down. You never have to break your stride. It feels like reality itself has become your personal GPS. What's even more impressive is that the navigation adapts to your movement. As you turn your head, the arrow turns with you. You're not just following a map, you're living inside it. It's like walking through a real-life video game, where the city becomes your level and your destination is the mission objective. The neural band allows you to zoom in and out simply by gesture or thought, giving you a complete view of your journey. It's smooth, futuristic, and unbelievably cool. Sure, it's still in beta and mostly designed for short distances, but the vision behind it is clear. One day, this won't just guide you through cities, it'll guide you through life. Now, let's talk about communication, because that's where things get personal. Picture this. You walking through the park when a message notification appears right before your eyes. No buzz, no vibration, just a small, subtle glow in your vision. It's your friend checking in. You glance at it, swipe your thumb in the air, and reply with your voice. No phone, no typing. Natural, effortless connection. That's the magic of texting and calling through the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. For the first time, messaging feels invisible yet powerful. WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram are built right into your glasses. You can read messages, view photos, and even watch short videos, all while keeping your eyes on the world around you. Imagine talking to your family while cooking dinner or chatting with a friend while biking through the city, completely hands-free. And when you receive a video call, it's even more mind-blowing. The caller appears as a floating image in your field of view while your glasses stream your point of view directly to them. You're literally sharing what you see in real time. It's like FaceTime fused with augmented reality. You can't show your own face just yet, but Meta's upcoming Kodak avatars might change that soon. Imagine a realistic 3D version of yourself appearing in front of your friend's eyes while you read miles away. It's the next evolution of digital presence, a blend of communication and immersion that could redefine how humans connect. It's not perfect yet. Writing by hand or a tracking isn't active, but the potential is enormous. For now, you can dictate responses, react with emojis, or even have Meta AI read your messages aloud. Not just messaging anymore. It's living your digital life through your own vision. Then comes the most cinematic feature of them all: video capture. We live in a world obsessed with recording moments, concerts, vacations, birthdays, sunsets, but there's always a cost. You pull out your phone, and suddenly you're no longer part of the moment, you're just an observer behind a lens. The Meta Ray-Ban display glasses change that forever. The simple voice command, "Hey Meta, start recording your glasses," turn your eyes into cameras. You see exactly what you're filming right in your vision, framed perfectly. The footage comes out in crisp 3K resolution at 30 frames per second. Stabilized so smoothly it feels like a professional camera crew is following you. Whether you're walking, running, or just turning your head, the result is silky, immersive footage that feels alive. And here's where things get wild. These glasses let you restyle your videos in real time using AI filters. You can say, make it cinematic, or turn this into an alternate reality, and Meta's neural engine instantly transforms the scene-adjusting lighting, color, even adding creative effects. It's like having a film editor living inside your glasses. The neural band even lets you zoom in mid-shot with just a thought or a gesture. The quality dips a little, but the idea itself. Imagine streaming your adventures live, sharing exactly what you see, instantly, effortlessly. Videos are capped at 3 minutes for now, and yes, extended use can make the glasses warm, but that doesn't stop the experience from feeling revolutionary. You're not just recording memories anymore. You're capturing life from your own perspective, exactly as you experience it. No distractions, no phone screens, just pure lived moments. Next up is one of the most jaw-dropping features, the translation system. Imagine standing in a foreign market surrounded by signs and chatter in languages you don't understand. You'd normally reach for your phone, open a translation app, and try to keep up. But with these glasses, you don't have to. When someone speaks, the words appear instantly in your field of view, translated into your own language. You're having a real conversation eye to eye without any barriers. The translation system currently supports Spanish, Italian, French, and English. But what's astonishing is how accurate and fluid it feels. The AI listens, transcribes, and displays text in real time. Yes, there's a tiny delay, but it's minimal enough that you can still talk naturally. For people who are deaf or hard of hearing, this is life-changing, turning sound into visible captions on the fly. And it doesn't stop there. The glasses can also translate written text right before your eyes. Look at a menu in French, and it instantly shifts into English as you blink. It's like living inside Google Translate but without ever touching your phone. You can zoom in for details, highlight a word for more meaning, or even ask the AI to read it aloud. This can handle up to 4 languages at once, effortlessly switching between them. You're not just reading text, you're unlocking new worlds of understanding. Finally, we arrive at the brain behind it, Augmented AI, your invisible assistant. This is where the glasses truly start to feel alive. You can customize your assistant's voice, choose John Cena, Kristen Bell, or Meta's default personality, and start asking questions. Hey Meta, what's the weather in Stockholm? Instantly, the answer appears before your eyes, glowing softly in your vision. Sunny? 45 degrees Fahrenheit? It's seamless, instant, and strangely personal. Meta AI does more than answer questions. It observes. It interprets. It helps. You can point at a building and ask what it is, and it'll tell you. You can look at an unfamiliar plant, and it'll identify it. You can even ask it to describe your surroundings, a feature designed to help visually impaired users understand the world around them. The AI can read text, transcribe menus, give you reminders, or check your battery status all without ever breaking your focus from the real world. Now, it's not flawless. Still can't play videos or scan QR codes, and to analyze your surroundings, it has to take a quick photo first. But the potential here is breathtaking. We're talking about technology that's slowly merging our senses with artificial intelligence. You're no longer separated from the digital world by a screen, it's becoming part of your perception.